Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Gloria Ann, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this easy, beginner-friendly low ponytail. Starting off on dry, stretched hair, I'm going to section it from ear to ear, and I promise my hair is not dirty, it's just a lot of product from a couple days ago. Now I'm getting this back section out of my way so I can focus on the front. I'm creating a half moon part for this hairstyle. I'm spraying my hair with water, and the white stuff that you see is just the old product I talked about before. It's being reactivated by the water. Don't worry, it dries clear. I'm applying my Echo Style gel to lay my hair down, followed by detangling. Detangling is the most important part if you really want your hair to lay flat. The hair that I'll be using is this gorgeous Brazilian kinky curly in 22 inches by Her Hair Company. The curls are so pretty. This hair has a lot of luster and it looks so hydrated. Look at those ends. I'm combing the curls out with a wide tooth comb so it blends and looks more realistic. And now I'm going to put my scarf on and let my hair dry for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, my hair is dry, no white residue as you can see, and my hair is super shiny and it's laying flat. Now I'm going to wrap this hair around my little ponytail. I placed a bobby pin at the end of the weft, then connected it to my ponytail holder to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And this is the final look. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!